Hello, hello, hello everybody, and welcome back, or just welcome if you decided to join me as we start question 10 here. And if you are, by all means, take a look at some of the other questions in part A, some of the earlier questions. But if you just want to join me with question 10, that's perfectly fine. Jump to question 17 next, doesn't matter to me. But question 10, what's it got? If z is 4 and x plus y is 7, and x plus z is 8, what is the value of x plus y plus z? Okay, so we could start, let's say, hunting around for values. We absolutely could. I don't quite have enough space there, so we'll start a brand new page. So we know z is 4, and we know x plus y is 7. Now it turns out this is going to be enough information, but they also tell us x plus z is 8. And if we read that and say, hey, I know what z is, we could work out what x is. It's going to be 4. Bring the z to the other side, and you'll get 8 minus 4 is 4. And now you get x is 4, and then you say, hey, I could plug that in here. And you're going to get y is 3. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing that, but you're wasting just, ever so slightly a little bit of time, or, depending on how good you are with calculations, or depending on whether or not your finger slips when you press a button on your calculator, you might be wasting a little bit more time. But if you're good with the mental arithmetic, seconds that you're wasting here. But take a look at what they want us to actually calculate in the question. X plus y plus z. Well, that's just x plus y, which I already knew, plus z. I didn't need any of this extra information. Okay, now if they'd asked for something like, what's y plus z, maybe I would have needed a little extra information, but I would have needed to actually work out what x and y are. If you did it that way, that's fine, but if we just group it this way, we've got 7 plus 4. We don't have to worry about y actually being 3. We get our answer of 11, and that's it, and that's an answer of C. Okay, so, two approaches, one a slightly faster if you're just keeping in mind, well, what are they actually asking for? They don't care if you know what x is. We just want that final value. And, it didn't save us a whole lot of time here, but for later questions or higher contest, harder questions, it can actually save you a bit of time. Okay? And for even more difficult contests, you can't actually figure out what x and y actually are. Okay? So questions like that do exist. Now, we didn't have anything like that here, so that's fine. But it's interesting to remember to take a look at what they're asking for and say, do I really need to do all this extra work? In this case, no. So it's kind of fitting that our answer was 11 for that question, because up next will be question number 11. Terrible segue, I know, but feel free to complain about it in the comments section. I'll see you in the next video.